And when you lie down, do you always feel the tremor like this all the time? Do you notice it, that you're tremoring?
No.
Okay, yeah, both of your arms are shaking. Can you feel it? So
Yeah.
the session's completed, and you notice how your arm is not shaky?
It's not shaking at all.
Yeah, it's not shaking at all.
What do I what?
What's your experience?
It's like God is here. It feels like a miracle.
Anything else you want to share?
It's just very, very powerful. And I don't even know how to go back and explain it to my friends. How incredible it was.
So, how would you share with friends who are having the same condition as you, who've never had chiropractic before?
Well, I would like to get them to a chiropractor like you.
Because
They could heal.
they can help, right?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Anything else you want to share?
No.